Congratulations on your iTelligence purchase. I'm here to show you how to set up your solution so that you can have a seamless experience and make sure everything works and enhances your practice. So this is your camera. Comes in this case. You have received one of these if you bought a turnkey solution from us. And here it is. Just take it out of the case, and before you install, make sure you remove that pin. This is your safety pin. You can screw in and out, and if ever you were moving or transferring your camera, you need to make sure that you put the pin back in, screw it all the way, and then close the stand. Okay, so take the lid off, back in there. The stand, your camera is basically sitting up like that. There's a power button here at the back. Push that and open your screen. So with your turnkey solution, you have also received a tablet. So we have already loaded your iTelligence Assure software on your tablet, and it is already connected to your camera. So it should be very simple plug and play. Now launch your iTelligence app on your tablet. Now simply connect your app to your camera. The front page, ready to take images, and of course you have your results and settings tabs for later use. So in your turnkey solution, you should have received one of these as well. So all of your cables are here, including a router, which is already predefined on both of your devices. This is for you to make sure both your devices are always on the same Wi-Fi, independent from other networks that you may be on. Power cable for the tablet, and your power cable for the camera comes in the case. If you only purchased iTelligence Assure software, then you will be given a link to download the software on your own laptop or computer that's connected to your camera to make it very easy for you to seamlessly integrate all systems. And once your images are acquired, they will pop up on our interface, and you go from there and scan all of your patients' images. So it is really that simple. Turn your camera on, turn your tablet on, put them on the same network using this router, and then you're ready to go. The interface, once launched, will connect to your camera, and you can start taking images and scanning your patients.